Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have my IPSY Glam Plus bag for September. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are having a good week, almost the weekend. Tomorrow is Friday if I'm uploading this on the right day. And so I hope you guys have been doing well. And today I got my IPSY Glam Plus bag. And so I'm really looking forward to seeing what's in it. And so hopefully it's some things that I can use. So anyway, before we do that, you know what we have to do, right? Yep, our affirmation for the day. And today I'm going to do You Got This card because I don't do this one often. And I said that before, right? But it's just like the other ones really draw me. So let's go ahead and pick a card. Let's see. Okay, here we go. You know, all of these have beautiful flowers on them. And I noticed that. I mean, flowers are so beautiful. And, you know, these are one of the things that I love. Wildflowers, right? And I love you, beautiful wildflowers. And I like butterflies, too, which actually help propagate the wildflowers. So, okay, I'm rambling, but that's okay. Let's see what it says. A river cuts through rocks, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. And it's by James Watkins. And he said, a river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. This is a good card because a lot of people, even myself at one time, used to think that in order to make a difference in life, you have to have some kind of power. And it does help to have power, but that's not the only way. And very few of us will ever be at the top, you know, being a CEO of a giant company or something like that, right? We're more of the ordinary, you know, middle class, run-of-the-mill type of people, which is okay because this is where we love to be. But one thing that I notice that people with persistence usually get their way or get to where they want to be. And that's because they never quit. Persistence to me says not quitting, being on top of something you want and just pushing it. If it doesn't go up this hill, then let's push it up that hill. And just, you know, using that persistence and using different angles to get what they want. And this is definitely helpful in career, believe me, because there's been times where I knew something was right in my heart, but my leaders may not have necessarily thought that. But I'm like one of those people, they call me a dog with a bone, right? I'm not going to let go of that. I'm just going to keep working it and working it and working it. You're not going to take it away from me. And so, yeah, and I don't have power, and yet I get things that I want because of my persistence. And same thing in life, right? When I can control the things that I can, I do, and I'm persistent with it. And, you know, a lot of people quit or don't even start at all because they say, well, I'm not that powerful. I'm not going to get there. They're not going to give me what I want. You know, if everybody thought that way, we would be not where we are today, believe me. And progress comes because of persistence, not because of power. Because there's only, if you ever heard the saying, the 1%ers, yeah, there's 1% of the people who are the elite, right? And they're not the people that make things happen. It's the people on the ground floor that make things happen through the persistence, through trying, their passion, and you have to do it with intention, right? And so that's really important. And I like this. A river cuts through rock, and river is water, right? And rock is very hard, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Even a little drop of water on a piece of a rock, over time, it will erode that rock. So take that as an example. Very good card. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. And also, before I let you go today, what I'm going to do is read you something from the Comfort book before I close. And that's the book that Cindy sent me. And I've been looking at it. And there's one that I really want to read to you at the end, though. But IPSY Glam Plus. So let's go ahead and get it open. Okay. And okay, this month everything must have fit into the bag because there's nothing else in here. And this is a very cute bag. And this kind of reminds me of a Burberry kind of sort of, you know, except for the stripe and a metal. So I like bags like this. And it does say IPSY, right? Yep. White on yellow though. It says IPSY right there. And let's see what I have. And of course, these IPSY bags, they're $25 a month. This is the plus bag, and I believe they're going up to $28 unless I'm mistaken. But that may be something else. I'll have to check on that. I know for sure that IPSY Glam is going up to $13 from $12, and I did cancel it, guys, because I'm not getting anything that's useful to me, really, and not really things that I'm excited to give you guys, because they're all samples. Wow, okay, sample sizes. Yeah. Okay, so today we have this card here, but it does not tell us what's in it because there's so many variations. And so this just talks about your official fall skincare guide. Step 1, cleanse. Step 2, tone. Step 3, add a serum. Step 4, apply eye cream. Step 5, moisturize. And step 6, protect with SPF 30+. And I think that part, step 6, is during the day. Okay, and so it does give you that information here. And it says work, school, life. Okay, back to work, school, life. Whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting and wearing lipstick, or catching up on much needed self-care, get back into the the swing of things in style. So that's that little saying there. So this is, I guess this month is cheers to 10 years of IPSY. Okay. Yeah, I remember when Michelle, wow, I'm having problems today, guys. Michelle Fan started IPSY, and I used to get IPSY when it was brand spanking new. I think I got the first bag, but it wasn't, you know, what it is today, so yeah. Anyway, so enough of that. So let's see what I got. Okay, the first one, oh, this was my choice, I do remember, and this is by Real Her, and it is a brush, and I believe this is, they call it a powder brush, but you can use it for anything you want. And oh, that's surprising. That's very soft. I don't think I have any Real Her brushes, but there it is with a little nice rose gold color here. And very soft. But I do have so many brushes, and you guys are going to start to see more brushes being given to you in giveaways, because I need to start sharing it, because you remember I used to have that brush subscription. Yeah. And I just got too much. I did cancel that though. Okay, so that's good. I like it, but it was my choice. And the next one, I believe it was my choice, contacts, and these are nail polishes because it was a lack of anything else that I wanted. And these are, let's see, the colors. I'm gonna have to put on my glasses, guys. Sorry. Piece of Me and Last Mile. Let's see what the colors are like. The reason why I don't like wearing glasses is because the glare glares on you, because yeah. Ooh, this is nice color. Look at this. This is actually, you know, is something that I would enjoy wearing in the fall time. But the thing is though, oh, and this one as well. Very nice fall colors. The thing is, I think since I have Orly's subscription, I have this type of colors already. And so I will go ahead and add this to a upcoming giveaway, but very pretty colors, and it comes as a pair. And so I'll go ahead and drop that in there. Oh, it looks like there's a card to separate the clanging. That's good. Yeah, okay, that's the second one. Okay, and then next I have, okay, El Maquillage, and this is Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad Palette U. Okay, and there it is, a maquillage, and it's looks like yeah, this looks like eyeshadow, right? Yeah, very nice. This reminds me of Makeup Geek, the M. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh wow, very pretty colors. Oh, I would love to have this just even though I do have colors like this, I would actually like to have this as a quad if I'm traveling. I could just take a quad. But look at this. This is like very nice. And I'm not familiar with this brand, and I don't have anything by them. I think I will go ahead and give this a try. And one thing that I'm glad to see is, let's see, this was made in Canada. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. All right. And it's a UK company by the looks of it. Wow, okay. All right. So I'll go ahead and give that a try. Like I said, I've never used this brand, and I will give it a try and see if I like it and give you some feedback on it. And next is Allure Beauty Black. Blacker than black, y'all. That's what it says. That's what it says. Hold on. Can you see it? Yeah, there. Blacker than black, y'all. I didn't make that up. And this is made in Korea. Interesting. Wow, that's so far so good. I don't have anything made in China yet. And let's see. And this is this one of those? Oh yeah, it is. It is a like a felt tip eyeliner. And I probably shouldn't have opened it, but I'm not going to swatch it because I do have plenty of this. It's called Cleopatra Ink. And I will go ahead and put this in the upcoming giveaway real quick in case somebody could use it. But I have so many eyeliners, guys, and I don't do very good with these felt things anyway. I can never get them even. Yeah, I just look silly. Okay, the next thing here is a lip gloss, is it? Oh, Shine Theory lip gloss. Oh, by Nabla. Ooh, I like Nabla stuff. Yeah, and let's see. But you know what? I do have a lot of lip gloss. Oh, can I not open it? No, I can't because it's sealed, guys. And this one is in RSVP. Let's see if you can kind of see the color. It's like a maroonish, goldish, and it has a lot of shine to it. It's made in Italy. And yeah, I mean, this is good. I like it. But you know, I'll be honest with you. I don't want to open this because look, it's sealed, right? Is that sealed? Yeah, it's sealed. And I'm going to go ahead and put it, and it is vegan and cruelty free. And so I will go ahead and put it in the upcoming giveaway. And because I do have so many lip products, guys. I do love Nabla though. Their products are really good. But yeah, I'd rather share it with you. And you know, this is good. I think that's it, guys. But you know what? You know what I noticed? They're getting better. They are getting much better. Why? This is made in Canada. This is made in Italy. This is made in Korea. And I think this is probably made in China. It's a brush, right? But I can live with that. And I think maybe this nail polish might be made in China. Yeah, it is. Okay, but nail polish I can live with, you know, when all the other three main important things are actually made outside of China. And you guys, I know you guys are like, oh, why does she not like things made in China? And some of you have already seen why. It's because as part of when I got my master's in business administration and finance, I did a deep dive and my thesis on the economic impacts of China and economy of China. Why is it that they're able to draw people in? Of course, cheap labor, unfair labor, all of those came in play. And so I just thought it was really unfair how they treat the people that are making these products. And so, you know, unfair labor practices, that's huge for me because I think everybody deserves a fair wage. And so it's my own way. I'm only one person, but it's my own way of really supporting people that are trying to make decent wage. And also I would like to see that, you know, the money come back because, you know, the big thing for me, I don't want to get on my soapbox here, guys, but the biggest thing for me is that, you know, America could use the work. You know, Canada could use the work. Europe could use the work. And they pay fair wages. And I get it. You know, a lot of these people starting businesses, they have things made in China because it's cheaper. But do they sell the products that much cheaper? Not really. But their profit margins are a lot bigger than those companies that keep the work in country. Their profit margin is smaller, right? So I get it. If you're trying to sell to, I guess, people who couldn't afford things that are manufactured in America, but it's not about that. They'll try to convince you of that. It's all about how much more profit these gigantic corporations can make, okay? And there's no excuse for some of these type of conglomerates to go and really seek production and manufacturing in China when it could be done here in the US and give other people jobs, okay? there's that. Now, let me get off my soapbox. And so, did I repeat what no, I didn't, did I? Oh, the brush, eyeliner, set of nail polishes, Nebula lip gloss, and El Maquillage eyeshadow quad. And like I said, I've never used it, and I will try it. So yeah, that's it. That is what was in my IPSY Plus. And so my beautiful wildflowers, what I want to do is I want to read you really quick from this comfort book, something that I read today, and I was like, this is true. And it's short. It's very short, and it is titled Ladders. Ladders, okay? It says, we're often encouraged to see life as one continual uphill climb. We talk about ladders without even thinking. Career ladders, property ladders, of being on top rung of the ladder or the bottom rung of the ladder. We talk climbing the ladder. We talk rising up. We talk of uphill struggles. In doing so, we visualize life as kind of vertical race, like we are human skyscrapers reaching for the clouds. And we risk only ever looking above to the future or below to the past, and never around at the infinite horizontal landscape of the present. The trouble with ladders is they give you no room to move around, just room to fall. So I thought that was pretty good. I never thought about that. And it's true. This is what I hear about career ladders, and things like that. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if I added any value, please do give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content, please do hit the subscribe button and ring the bell and select all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend whenever you're watching this. It does not matter. But what does matter is that you don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.